Hello, Scouts. We have spoken a few times about compost and trying to control weeds and feeding your dirt and all kinds of stuff like that. And so 3 weeks ago, I started doing exactly that. And so what I did is I took some cardboard and I put it over the grass, or actually over the weeds, around these two trees, on the base of these two very young trees. And my goal was to get rid of the weeds so that I could eventually have a garden bed so that I could put, peas or other vine type plants that could eventually use the tree as its trellis. So, like I said, what I did is I just put cardboard and then I covered it with grass clippings. And then the week later, when I cut the grass again, I put more grass clippings. And then this week I did the same thing. So what we have here is about 3 weeks old, and weeds do still come up. And all you do is you just go, for instance, this one here, I already pulled, but you just pull it and let it fall back on the pile because it's going to decompose. And that's going to break down into all of the great stuff that your plants need, nitrogen and everything else. Okay? But let me just show you what we have here. So if we take the new grass off, right, we get into old decomposed grass, right? This is, a lot of this actually is dirt already, right? If we get down, we get through, that's a bit of cardboard, and it feeds. This dirt is super nice and wet and happy, right? But as this breaks down, it will just make beautiful dirt. And I'll end up with a small garden bed that is weed-free, mostly, with some really, really nice dirt so I can plant. Okay? Now, you might be asking, what if you don't have grass to cut? What if all you have is, say, a pot, right? Well, if you have a pot, you probably have bagged dirt that you bought somewhere. Maybe you made your own dirt, but the same thing applies. You could just put the cardboard around the base of your plant and put some grass clippings that, you could get from your yard maintenance people or your gardeners. I'm sure they would happily save you some grass clippings. And you stick them on there, and it'll do the same thing. It'll break down, and it will feed that dirt. Even if you don't want to plant something else, it will make that dirt much, much, much better. And all it takes is a few weeks for everything to break down. All right? So I hope this helps you in your gardening endeavors. Remember to do your best and keep gardening.